Belize is like one of the only areas you could actually do cave tubing in Central America. And this cave system here is one of the most popular cave you could ever go through. Once you get here to the park of Nahuatl End, we get you carried up. Gonna take a little, about 30 minutes hike through the rainforest, natural trail. You learn about different medicinal plants. We try to make our guests try to appreciate much more of nature, much more of what is on earth that we could take care of and love. Getting to this cave system is amazing. Scientists themselves say that the caves are like a living organism. Stalactites, stalagmites inside this cave system take over 100 years just to grow 1 centimeter, and that is a mystery on its own. This is what people come, they love, they enjoy, and my guests, they're like, wow.